This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, latch-ready child seat anchors, cruise control, a keyless entry system, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. A GM-certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Thank you for considering Chuck Fairbanks Chevrolet for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our webpage, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located on Interstate 35 and Pleasant Run Road in DeSoto.